In this video, I will show you how to fix the Facebook account temporarily unavailable error on your mobile device. First, if you see the message your account is currently unavailable, then in many cases this is caused by a temporary Facebook server issue rather than a problem with your account. Start by refreshing your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off for a few seconds. After that, turn it back on. Once your connection is restored, open the Facebook app and check. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on the flight mode and turn it off. Once your internet has been refreshed, go ahead and launch open Facebook and check if that fixes your problem. If it does not, then the next thing you want to do is long press on the Facebook app, then tap on the app info icon. Here, find the option of storage, tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. Head back, then tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Once that is done, open Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and here search for Facebook. If you find the update option, tap on it and update the app to the latest version. Now launch open Facebook and check. If the error is still there, then what you want to do is open up any web browser, then search Facebook server, scroll down and open any reliable website such as Down Detector and check if there is a server outage. If there is, you simply want to wait until Facebook solves this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.